If you want to know how to add a link in your Instagram story without the swipe up feature, let's see how you can do that. For that, first you have to open up your Instagram app, then go to the story icon at the top left corner. Now either snap a photo or upload one from your gallery. Now once your photo is ready, look at the top and press the sticker icon. In the sticker option, you will see one that says link. Go ahead and select that. Now just paste or type the URL you want to share. Now copy your preferable link and just paste or type the URL you want to share. And now you can add customized sticker text too. You can also edit the link text to make it more eye-catching, like subscribe or follow me or anything you like. Now hit done once your link is in. You can move the link sticker around on your story, drag and place it wherever it looks best. You can also change its color or style by tapping on it once. After everything looks good, just hit your story to post it. That's it. Now when someone views your story, they will be able to tap the link, then visit link and go directly to the page you shared. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.